By 1850, over 6,000 miles of railways had been laid in Britain, but there was not a single mile of track in mid-Wales. There was talk of a line between Manchester and Milford Haven, which would run through mid-Wales. But the first to introduce railways here was David Davies of Llandinam. Born in a log cabin, the son of a wood sawyer, he was to be known throughout his life as David Davies Top Sawyer. He was to win fame and fortune in railways and in the coal industry. After several years as a sawyer and contractor, he won a contract to build a railway line between Llanidloes and Welshpool. The very size of Llanidloes station is a reminder of how keen and enthusiastic the local people were to put themselves on the map. Money soon ran out, and the building was stopped for several years after Davies completed a bridge across the River Severn at his home village of Llandinam. The horse was to remain the chief form of transport for some time to come in mid-Victorian Wales.